Hi everyone, my name is Daryl Leitner and I'm the Marketing Outreach Coordinator here at Atlanta. I'm going to be going over some of the changes that are going to be happening down at the ATC. Starting May 10th, platforms at ATC will be transferred over to Linden Street and 6th Street. The platforms will be color-coded with blue, orange, red, and green. To find out which color zone you would need to board your bus, simply look at the color list provided in each color zone and find the appropriate route and direction. There is a disclaimer. Some buses will vary based on the direction they're heading. For example, the 102 eastbound gets picked up in a different location than a 102 westbound. Please ensure you read the list correctly to ensure you catch your appropriate bus. Customer service will be available via the Dunkin' Donuts entrance on 6th Street. If you're not sure which color zone you're in, simply look around and look for the appropriate sign. There will be directional signs laid out throughout each color zone in order to guide you to the appropriate zone. Customer service, again, is always available via phone or the customer service window at ATC. I hope this helps, and as always, thank you for using Atlanta.